Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, then hit the subscribe button cause it's free. So today in this video I will be showing you how you can make a to-do list and be productive. So I will discuss all the topics about it. So without any further delay, let's start this video. What is a to-do list? So to-do list is basically a list of tasks which you have to complete within the span of time, like weekly or daily or monthly. But I prefer making a to-do list daily and weekly because it will be more productive rather than making a monthly to-do list because it's just a huge burden of things like basic things. So don't need to make a monthly one, only make weekly and daily. First point is start your to-do list with some easy work. So when you're just starting your day, give yourself some easy work like folding clothes or taking notes from a book or taking notes from friend's copy. Like do something like that which need less concentration and at least add two easy works before starting any hard work. So most of the people do that, they become very motivated at the morning and they start doing a hard work which just took 5 to 6 hours and nothing really become productive. So like after that, doing that easy work, you will live motivated like I did something at least, so now I should do something different. Second point is after doing easy tasks, start the hardest task of the day. So after just listing the most easy tasks of the day, start the hardest tasks. Just list the hardest tasks after that, because after completing your easy task you will be a little motivated, as I said. Then you can do a more harder task, and that will be not harder, that will be the hardest task of the day. You have to complete it in that time only, like 1 hour, 2 hour, might be 3 hour too, but complete that particular task in that time only because it's very important. Like tasks like which you're afraid from or you don't like to do at all, like this kind of task is hardest to you. Like for me, like studying history or doing anything else, like this, there will be like other. Point is be specific with your task. So what does it actually mean? Okay, suppose you are working on a book and you just wrote on your to-do list, work on my book. What does it mean, work on my book? Which tasks you have to do? Call the publisher or outline a new chapter or making covers design of the book. You will be totally confused and it will destroy your time and it will not become productive like that. So just write on your to-do list like publish, contact the publisher, or I have to do outline of a new chapter, like this. It will help you a lot and it will make you understand, okay, I have to do this specific work only today, and it will make you feel more productive. At least note down 2 most important tasks which you have to complete on that day. So in the whole to-do list, most important works, like it can be 2 or 3 but not more than that, or else it will stress your day out. Just make a segment or a area, just highlight that area and just note down the 2 things. It will make you understand that I have to complete this 2 work today itself. So suppose you have a assignment and you have to submit that the next day only and you have to complete. So that's why I'm saying this, it will never make you forget about the most important things. It is break down your large tasks. So example, you have to complete a chapter and you just wrote on your to-do list, complete a chapter. This doesn't make sense that it will make you complete on that day. Rather than writing that, write complete the section 1 of this chapter, or complete from this page to that page of this chapter. Make sections or pages of the chapter. Make sections or pages of the chapter, and it will help you to complete more faster. To complete the first chapter of physics for physics assignment. This will make yourself more productive, and it will make you less stress out. There should be not more than 10 things in your to-do list. So in your daily to-do list, don't list more than 10 things, because it will make you stress out the time you see like 20 things, and more than that it doesn't make any sense. So don't list many things that you can't actually complete. Be practical about things. At the end of the day, reward yourself. So it's very important to reward yourself, because at a hectic and a stressed day, you should reward yourself with something exciting, like watching any kind of movies or any web series, or drawing, or playing any kind of instrument, or making something for yourself. Many things which you love to do and you enjoy. The video is not ended. Listen to me. I have something more extra for you, so you should know this point. So the first bonus tip is, don't feel regret if you haven't completed all the work in your to-do list. You have left 2-3 work. It's just not the point. You should be motivated, like at least I have done all these works, rather than sitting idle at home. So the second tip is, always boost yourself, like today I did this kind of work and accomplish for next day, like I will also do the same next day. So the next point is, make 2 to-do lists, daily to-do list, 2 to-do list. One is personal to-do list, and another one is professional or educational to-do list. Like number 1, the personal to-do list be like do household works, or like do YouTube work, like something like that, or any other work. And in a professional to-do list, do like related to your assignments, presentation, your work, your studying, like this kind of things. It will help you to partition the both to-do lists. If you have found this video helpful for making a to-do list and being productive, also let me know in the comment section that which one you like the most in this entire to-do list, which point you like the most. And also subscribe to my channel. Sorry for saying it again, just making you remember. People just watch my video and they doesn't subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. And these are my social media links. Don't forget to follow and check everywhere, like I say in each video. So for today, bye bye, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. Also, you can suggest me some more topics in the comment section. So bye, thanks for watching.